Hey everybody, part one of preparing a brisket. So far I've taken it out of the package, I've rinsed it off, I patted it dry. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna trim it up a little bit and then we're gonna go ahead and put our seasonings on it. So let's go ahead and get started. Nothing but fat. Don't want that. Bless you.
Yes, I took my allergy medicine today.
All right. Now that we got this beautiful piece of meat trimmed down, let's go ahead and start off with our binder. Our binder is gonna be honey mustard. We get this from Winco. There we go. There we go. Now, throughout this process, we're going to rinse our gloves off. We're going to be redoing stuff, moving stuff around. So first, we want to lather this on. And if you can see my shirt, we support the Till Valhalla project. Okay, so first thing we're going to start off with, we're going with some lemon pepper. Lemon pepper, I like to use the pink Himalayan salt.
That's good.
By the way, that's Mary.
Hi.
All right, next on the list is Grill Mates Applewood. Don't go upstairs just yet. I'm gonna need your help outside. Go on ahead. Hurry up. This one is the hickory molasses. Got one more. The King Hawaiian. Ooh, that's a bit. All right, now comes the fun part, because now we gotta flip it over. Start off with the binder again. Now, gotta rub that all over, right? Yet again, starting off with the lemon pepper. Then we move on to the Himalayan pink salt. After that, move on to the applewood. Hickory molasses. Last but not least, that King Hawaiian. It's a spicy rub. Don't exactly know what kind of spice is in it, but if we read it, it is cayenne pepper, black pepper, and paprika. Alrighty, so that concludes the prep of the brisket.
Okay.
So here we are, we're out at the smoker. We're using the Pit Boss pellet smoker. We already have a bigger brisket in if you want to come over and check it out now. Mary. So, in here we have a 15-pound brisket. It's been in there for approximately 6 hours now. Now we're going to throw our smaller one 2 racks up, and we already got our probe in. Let's go ahead and get her done. Sorry, Mom. All right, so this will be in here until tomorrow afternoon for both of them. It'll be really, really good, really, really tasty. They should be ready by Thursday, no later than 6 a.m. It's good seeing y'all. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Hey everybody, we're doing the second brisket now. We're gonna wrap it up. So I got some new gloves from Pit Boss. Nice big thick ones. That way I don't burn my hands. Let's get to it. Step back. Okay. Beautiful, gorgeous. Close that up. So, beautiful. The bark looks very good, very crispy, very crunchy, but it's still nice and squishy. Plenty of moisture left on the inside. This was an 8-pound brisket, and Smoker has done an amazing job. Now, use about this much paper. So, when we wrap the brisket, we want to make sure it's nice and tight. I put foil underneath so I can protect the table from the brisket because it can stain the plastic. And that's no bueno because you want to use it in the future. So, basically, think of wrapping your brisket like you're wrapping a Christmas present, right? You want to make sure this beauty is wrapped nice and tight. And we're ready to put it back in. There we go. And that's how you wrap a brisket. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Have a great day. Okay everyone, we're about to do the big brisket right now. We're going to take it out. We're going to roll it up. Stay tuned. It's going to look delicious. You ready? First things first, gloves and hot hand pad. Because this sucker is going to be hot. My hands are a little moist, so it's hard to pull on the gloves right now. But we'll get them on because being clean is very important. It's hot out today. It's a little over, feels like it's at least 90, if not above. Okay. One thing to remember about meats is after you've cooked them for a bit, they tend to shrink. So it used to start off as a brisket that was bigger than the smoker, has shrunk to within the smoker's range. Here's our beauty. Gorgeous, beautiful piece of meat. Boom. Now this brisket is really, really hot right now. And very crispy. So what we're gonna do, let's go ahead and close that so I can stop having smoke on my face. So we're about to roll it. You want to make sure it's nice and tight when you do. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. So you want to make sure it's nice and tight. Beautiful brisket, beautiful wrap. It's gonna be gorgeous when it's done. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and stick it right back in. This sucker will still continue cooking until 6 a.m. And it's gonna be amazing. In 3 hours, we'll be back out. Go ahead and take care of the smaller brisket. Alrighty, that's all for now. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey everyone, so I finished the brisket, but it did not turn out well. It turns out I cooked it at too high of a heat, and I cooked it for too long of a time. Maintaining the water tray was also an issue, so that was a problem. It turned out that the brisket kind of burnt, and it was very tough to cut through. So this is a good lesson for us to learn, for me to experience, but next time I will do better, and I'll make sure I get everything on camera. Thank you guys.